Hello guys, welcome back. You're watching Tayo Money. Right here in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you make money online just by performing few tasks with this app I'm going to disclose to you guys. So if you have been looking for a way to make money online, this video is for you. All you need to do is to just subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell for more legit content, guys. So first of all, we are going to head over to Play Store and I will show you guys this amazing app which is super cool. It's free and it's user friendly. So you just head over to your Play Store. So heading over to your Play Store, all you need to do is just come to your search bar right here and search the app name which says Viewpoints. So you can see it right there. So clicking on Viewpoints, you can see the app right here. Viewpoints. This is an app where you earn some amount of money just by performing simple tasks here on this app. It's so simple and it's stress-free, guys. So I'm going to show you guys how you're going to earn with this app, guys. This app is owned by Meta. You know Meta company, which owns Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, on all of those social media, guys. It's owned by Meta. So you just need to install the app, and once you install the app, you create an account for yourself, and boom, you're good to go. So coming to the home page, you can see the app right here. I'll just click on Viewpoints right here. So clicking on Viewpoint, you can see it's owned by Meta. You guys, you all know Meta. It owns Facebook, WhatsApp, and all of that. So you can see once you have signed up and create an account successfully on the app, you can see here on where it says program, you're going to see all your tasks available right here. And another amazing thing with this app right here, once there's an offer or a task available, they will send you an email for you to come to this app here and perform your tasks. You don't need to stress yourself. All you need to do is just register an account on the app and perform tasks once task is available. So you can see all my available tasks right here. The AI app usage survey. This one needs me to give a review of AI apps I use and how it was. The basic purpose of this app is to get record about how people use social media and app and all of that. Meta is doing all of those stuff so they can get detailed information on the usage of their apps and all their available stuff, guys. So all you need to do is just come here, click where it says resume program. So while you are doing all these tasks, you are going to be paid for doing these tasks. So you can see all you need to do. You can see I've performed mine and I was rewarded 250 points for performing these tasks, guys. So all you need to do is just come here. Once the task is available, you click on solve tasks and you answer the surveys effectively, and your reward will be given to you with no stress, guys. So the time for doing the tasks is not long, just few seconds, you are done with that. You can see the app usage as well. Here you click on resume, you answer question on how you use WhatsApp, how long, and all of that, or Facebook and all those stuff. Well, once you do that, you are good to go, guys. So this last one, as a study here, you click on resume, you perform the task, and boom, you are good to go. And another thing you need to put in mind is once you are performing the task, remember not to leave the task. You can see where it says leave program. Don't leave the program. Make sure you complete the program to the end for you to get the full reward for the program, guys. So that is how to perform tasks here on this Viewpoints app, guys. So all the available programs will be right here. You just perform tasks and you get your reward straight to your balance, guys. So clicking on where it says rewards right here. So this is where you're going to see all your points. You can see currently I have 470 points here on my balance. So how does it work? Here, these are the rewards right here. If you have 1,000 points, it's equivalent to $3, guys. So if you have 2,000 points, it's equivalent to $6. 3,000 points here on this Viewpoints app is equivalent to $9. 4,000 points equivalent to $12, and 5,000 points is equivalent to $15. 6,000 points is equivalent to $8 and all of that. So the maximum here is 10,000 points, which is equivalent to $30. So for you to withdraw, you need to attain this number of points depending on the one you want to withdraw, and once you attain it, you will receive your reward and it will be sent to you as gift card, guys. So that is how they work. here on this app. So basically, I advise you, once you're performing tasks, wait until you are up to a reasonable amount for you before you withdraw, because all these little amounts, if they send it to you as gift card, you find it difficult to redeem. So I advise you guys to leave it, at least let it reach a reasonable amount like $20, $24 or $27, or if possible you can leave it till it reach $30, then you withdraw, because they used to send it to you as gift card. If you withdraw like little amount, it will be difficult for you to redeem with gift card redeem platforms, guys. So they will send it to you as tremendous gift card. You're gonna be redeeming it effectively. So that is how it works. So you can see on my history. Let's click on my history. You can see all the rewards I got. I completed tasks and I received 250 points. This particular one here as well, I received 85 points for completing tasks. So you can see the reward I redeemed $3, which is equivalent to 1,000 points here on this app. I redeemed $3 as my reward, and it was sent to me to my email, guys. So you can see on the 2nd of May 2026, I received $3 and it was sent to me to my email, guys. So that is how it works. So this one is the strict bonus 80 tasks completed. You can see all my record, my history right here. I performed all these tasks. Once you perform tasks and you complete them, you'll be rewarded your points effectively. So that is how it works. It's stress-free and you don't need to stress yourself, and it's absolutely for free, guys. So that is how it works. So for this $3 which I redeemed here, the amount is too small for me to redeem it. Basically, all those gift card redeem app, you're gonna be redeeming, the minimum is around $10 to $10 upward. So if you redeem a little amount, it will be difficult for you to redeem that amount. So I advise you to perform tasks and wait for your reward to accumulate to a reasonable amount of points before you withdraw, because they used to send you your reward in form of gift cards to your email, guys. So that is how it works. So simple and straightforward. So clicking on the account right here, on the account here, you're going to just see your profile and everything about you, guys. Everything is there right here. So clicking on the payment settings, basically the payment settings here, they pay you through tremendous, guys. So Viewpoints pay you through tremendous. That is, they will send it to your email address that you use to create an account here on this app. As well, you can log out your account right here and all of that. You can get help if you have any question, and you can check out the terms and services. So that is how the app works. It's so simple and straightforward. So guys, if you enjoy the content of this video, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more latest content, guys. Thank you all guys for watching this video. See you guys in my next video. If you like this video, please drop a nice comment, and if you have any question, you let me know in the comment section. I'm here for you guys. Thank you all guys. See you in my next video.